5.3 Circular Motion 2. In the last lesson, we learned about centripetal force. Today, what happens if there is no centripetal force? So Gene Baldrino was swinging a ball in a circle. The ball is going in a circle like this, on and on and on. What happens if he lets the string go and there's no more force? It's going to go like A, B, C, or D. Well, let's see what happens.
This demonstration will be videoed from above. What I'm going to do is take the marble,
So here's a
and I'm
marble.
going to give it a push. Pie plate. The wall of the pie plate will begin to push as it goes around in a circle where there's no longer any. Let's see. As expected, the marble does at that point. As expected, the marble rolls off tangent to the circle because,
So look at this again.
as expected, the marble rolls off.
So the marble goes, and the marble goes like this. It goes in a circle. But once it gets here and there's no more force, it just keeps going straight in the same direction. Like that. Let's see it again.
Let's see what the marble does at that point.
See? So what did we learn? We learned that when there's no force, it has to go straight. So that's why the answer has to be B, in the direction that's already going in. A is not straight, C is not straight. C, it keeps going, but it goes in the same direction. It can't change directions. Okay. So for this one, the ball's going to come this way, and then it will keep going straight in the same direction. B. Okay. So from yesterday, the last lesson, centripetal force makes objects move in a circle. In this lesson, we learned that if there is no centripetal force, the object will move in a straight line in the same direction as before. Okay. Next, orbits. We have the sun, the moon, and the earth. The earth goes around the sun like this, in a circle. Why? Well, we know that right now, for example, the earth has mass, the sun has mass, the earth and the sun both have mass, so clearly they attract each other. When the velocity and the gravity force are perpendicular to each other, we get a circle. Okay. Same with the earth and the moon. The gravity and velocity are perpendicular to each other. They move in a circle. The earth goes around the sun every year. The moon goes around the earth every month. So if you put them together in the system, it looks like this. We have the moon is going around the earth, and the earth is going around the sun. Why does the earth move around the sun in a circular orbit? Centripetal force. Where does this centripetal force come from? It comes from gravity. Because the sun and the earth attract each other. Okay, that's it.